Thank you for purchasing an Elkay ezH2O Liv water dispenser. Properly caring for your ezH2O Liv will help keep your product looking and working its best. We recommend cleaning your water dispenser weekly. Here are the tools you'll need. Now you're ready to begin. Turn off power to the unit prior to starting. Put on safety glasses and lightly spray the microfiber cloth with mild glass cleaner and gently wipe the glass. Remove the drip tray cover and empty the drip tray of any water. Wash the alcove, drip tray cover, drip tray, and the catch basin with mild detergent. Rinse with water. Dry thoroughly using a microfiber cloth. Replace the drip tray and the drip tray cover. Repeat these simple steps each week to ensure your ezH2O Liv looks as good as it performs.